Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well today and you feel. Today is day 4, our English journey while we're speaking in front of the camera every day. So today is day 4. So today we're going to explore English, learning some sentences, explain them and you know what? Yeah, tell you guys. And watch how I learn English. Watch the video until the end, please. Let's go. Let's get started. So first we start to we prepare our questions right here. So ask me questions. Those questions I try to explain like a person who are confident, like speaking English very well and not struggling. So just let's start and listen how I explain those questions. And please, if I make mistakes, I'm English learner. I still learn English. My English level is B1, B2. So please correct me at the comment. Yeah, and answer those questions at the comment as well. So let's get started. So first question we get here right here is, what is one of your favorite places you have visited and why do you like it? What is one of favorite places you have visited and why do you like it? For me, I really never travel, but my city I have visited few places, few beautiful places. So my favorite places I've visited and I like it. I think Spark when I go to park is I love park so much. It's a bit nature and a lot of trees there. It's a bit green and I love close to being green or nature. So my favorite place visited is at the park and why do I like it? Because I love nature and kind of. So yep, let's move on another one. Another question is, do you prefer reading books or watching movies? Explain your choice. Do you prefer watching movie or reading books? Explain your choice. So, watching movie is my favorite. Absolutely, I love watching movie. I think right now speaking English, those words I'm using right now, they come from all of them movie. I really watch movies so much, and yeah, I love watching movie. When it comes to reading, I'm really not good at reading. I I cannot say I hate reading, but is I'm not read so much. So I would love to learn how to read things, but I'm not good at it. I just but what when it comes to watching movie, sometimes I watch movie like 3 times a day, so that's a bit insane, wasting time a lot. So we have another question right here. What are some advantages and disadvantages of using social media? Let's repeat again. What are some advantages and disadvantages of using social media? Oh, social media. What are some advantages or disadvantages using social media? Uh, so let's get started for first disadvantage. Social media first people they waste their times. Like when we're watching social media, for me, I love watching movie and those movies I watch in social media. So maybe those movie take us 2 hours a day. Spending 2 hours just a movie, nothing, doing anything. So first one we waste our time movie like or other platforms. Some people they just scroll in TikTok. At the end of the day, they almost spend the social media 4 hours or more than 7. So that's a bit insane. So that is the first native in social media. The second one is the second one is second one would be second one second one would be like I don't second one. Wasting time. Uh, People they become addicted. Some people they cannot even stop 1 minute if they not check their phone or check a message. They cannot stop 1 minute. They cannot take a deep breath, sit in chair without using their phone. So that is addicted. They become addicted in social media. So 31. Let's we want to talk about right now the advantage in social media. We talk about disadvantage, the advantage. The advantage first, we connected each other. Like social, that's internet or social media. Same. What? Internet social is same, right? Yeah, we connected. We call our parents and we call each other friends. Everything connect each other. That's social media kind of. Or social media is something we watch. Okay, let's move that question. I have no idea about it. Like, so this advantage first is we learn something. Like for me, I learn English. I never go to school. I never go to teacher. I just learn English by myself on social media, YouTube, Hello Talk, and other platforms. So that is the first advantage. Also, we learn. Now we watch some tutorials like skills, good things kind of stuff, and that is advanced as well. What else? People they make business in social media. That is also, yeah, a good thing as well. And yeah, it has so many things, has so many good things. So the guys, so that's what I remember. We have no time. So guys, I want to tell you one more question, and I'm not gonna explain it. I just leave there. So write down at the comment if you can do it. So the first question is, do you prefer? No, that's the answer already. If you could change one thing in your city or town, what would it be? Tell us your comment. Have you given? Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and the comment. Leave us your English. Leave us the comment.